Let's go open this.
Let's go open the Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy, guys. Let's go open it. Let's go open the Kinder Joy. Oh.
This is our second time opening.
Opening the Kinder.
And this is our first time.
This first is the toy.
No, this is the spoon. And this is the toy.
That's the toy, guys. That's the first and open our toy.
Kung what we get.
What we get our toy.
Woo! Tung sahur!
No, not tung sahur is the dinosaur.
And here is the instruction, guys.
Yes. Mine is the dinosaur. What yours?
So let me open.
Dinosaur? Asan dinosaur?
This art is our uncle. And this mine is the star.
This is what I get.
Where?
Here. This is what I get.
That are you get?
This the star key.
Star key.
Star key. No, I'm not gonna build this now.
This is from the girls. From the girl. I don't like girls. Oh, this is from the girls, guys. Girls toy.
Toy.
And the next is the food. So let's go see the food.
First,
Let's go open it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this is... Look at that. And we have so many chips and chocolate.
chips and the chocolate.
And the chocolate, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at that.
To our channel.
And that's why from the girls, guys. I got from the girls. Look at the food. I just hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe. So we're almost to 200 subscribers. Only 7 left to reach the. Please subscribe. Subscribe! This is what it look like now, guys. Look at that. So comment down kung who's the better. This is from Raven and Damien. This is the Dana and this is the stars. Stars. Subscribe.